Years in the making, only weeks from being yours. Welcome to Royale Gold Coast. Hi, I'm Adrian Parsons from Total Property Group, and Royale is powering towards completion. Settlements are on track to be called at the end of May, with move-ins happening in June. Today is the first real look at what is almost yours. Let's go and take a look. Every great address is defined by a grand arrival, and here at Royale, that is now taking shape right here. Landscaping is now underway, the external footpath is being completed, and major building services have entered commissioning. On level 1, stonework, flooring and the building's signature architectural patterns are all coming together, giving a clear sense of the finished experience. It's really great to see how Club Royale is taking shape. The bar area here in front of me, the meeting rooms are installed. Over here we've got the private cellar. And I'm on level 8 now, and this is one of our apartments that is completed, just waiting for its final clean. Very dramatic ocean view, incredible balcony, northeast facing. This is one of our trophy residences here at Royale Gold Coast. Welcome to level 27. Look at this view. Apartment 2702. Every single room of this apartment 2702 faces the ocean. The kitchen, the living, the dining, master bedroom, bedroom 2, bedroom 3. So from above us on level 28 and above, the building is now in its final phase of works. Let's go and take a look. There's a real sense of excitement about what comes next. We look forward to welcoming you home very soon.